The train led by Mikado 3285 is going to be a special train that I will run for the 80th anniversary of D-Day. It consists of the 5 Higgins Boats and flatcars that I just printed with the Bambu Lab A1, and there are 2 more cars here. Those were printed by the Anycubic Vyper. And there is a difference in the quality of the prints, but that's okay. So this is only a 7-car train of Higgins Boats being taken to the East Coast for the D-Day landings. But anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.